Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to one and all. Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about types of chemical reactions, particularly combination and decomposition reaction. Before that, what are some examples for chemical reactions? We should know about it. Chemical reactions example. See, initially we use silver which is in white color, but after few days it changes its color. What is the reason? Because silver has been turned to silver sulfide. That is the sulfur which is present in air, it combines with silver to form this compound. That's why it changes its color. Similarly, iron which is hard at initial stage, but if we treat it with water and air for a long period, it becomes iron oxide. It is called rusting. One more example, the plants and we take carbon, then oxygen, then we take some food, everything gets digested, and finally we get energy in the form of glucose. So all these are some of the examples for chemical reactions. Let me say now what are the types of chemical reactions. First one is combination reaction. In combination reaction there is a formula A plus B gives AB. This AB is nothing but this is a reactant and this is a reactant. So two reactants are combined to form one product. This is a type of chemical reaction. This is called combination reaction. Example, see here, hydrogen gas plus chlorine gas combines to give 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, which is also a gas. Next one is how can say SiO2 is a gas, SiO3 we can, SiO2 is a solid substance, and CaO, calcium oxide, combines to give CaSiO3. What is this SiO2? Silicon dioxide. CaO, calcium oxide. What is this? Calcium silicate. Calcium silicate. How it came? This hydrogen has been combined with the chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. This silicon dioxide has combined with calcium oxide to give calcium silicate. CaSiO2 plus 1 O3. 2 hydrogen and 2 chlorine molecules. Generally it forms hydrochloric acid. So I have written 2 here. It is a common for 2 hydrogen and 2 chlorine. So 2 or more reactants are combined to form one product. It is called as combination reaction. Next one is decomposition reaction. This is very simple. See, AB is a reactant. It decomposes to A plus B. Here reactants are 2, product is 1. That is combination reaction. In decomposition reaction, reactants are 2, reactant is 1, product is 2. There is a difference between decomposition and combination reaction. So based on the application of heat or electricity or sunlight, the bond which is in the reactant will be split it out. For example, let me say, see, AB is a compound, it has some bond, that bond will be that bond has been break down with the application of something based on heat, based on electricity, based on, that is photo means sunlight. So either in these three, if you apply any one based on the reactant, that single reactant has been splitted out into two products. So let me give example for thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal means heat. See, first example, CaCO3 on application of heat, it is calcium carbonate, it will split into CaO plus CO2. So calcium is 1, have written here, carbon is 1, here carbon is there, oxygen is 3, here 2 plus 1. So single reactant has been changed into two product by application of heat. So heat is nothing but thermal. So the heat has break down the bonds present in calcium carbonate to form two more compounds. So this is an example for thermal decomposition reaction. One more example we can give for this, that is 2 moles of mercurous oxide, which can be converted into 2 moles of mercury and 1 mole of oxygen. See 2Hg, so we have written as 2Hg, 2 oxygen is here, that I have written here. So single reactant has been changed into two more product by application of heat. So this is the example for thermal decomposition reaction. What about electrolytic decomposition reaction? Electrolytic decomposition reaction, either we can call it as electrolysis. Similarly, thermal decomposition can be called it as thermolysis. So one more example for it, how see 2 moles of sodium chloride on application of electricity, it will change it as Na2 then Cl2. So we can write like this, or we can write 2Na plus Cl2. So this sodium chloride on application of electricity, this should be in a aqueous state. Aqueous state means in water state. On application of electricity, it will split into sodium and chlorine. So this is an example of electrolysis reaction. Last one more reaction, that is called photoelectrolytic reaction, or we can say photolysis. Photo means sunlight. So there is an example for that, 2 moles of silver bromide, when it is in solid substance, while application of sunlight, what will happen? It will change into 2 moles of silver and bromide, which is in the form of gas, and this is in the form of solid. How we can identify? Initially it will be in yellow color, then it will be changed into brown or black, lightish black color. So let me show you in about this in the book. See here, see silver bromide is initially in yellow color. When the sunlight is applied here, after some time it convert into silver and bromine, which is the silver metal has been changed into gray color. This is example for photo decomposition reaction, and this is example for electrolytic decomposition reaction, and this is an example for thermal decomposition reaction. So this is a difference between combination and decomposition reaction. Example for combination reaction, I said A plus B gives AB. This is an example. And one more example, I said silicon dioxide plus calcium oxide gives calcium silicate. So whatever it may be, so element plus element also gives compound, as well as compound plus compound also gives compound. So this is the difference between combination reaction and a decomposition reaction. Hope you understand. Thank you.